So we made it to Tucson. I'm trying not to look right at the camera because my headlight is on, but I'm not sure if you can see this. It looks like rain. It's freezing rain. Do you see my breath? Yeah, it's freezing. So we're here just for a couple days at this campground to see Saguaro National Park tomorrow, and then we'll be on to closer to Phoenix. We're gonna see one of my friends, my old college roommate, and then that's the end of our trip, and then it's heading back towards home. So that should be interesting. Anyway, just wanted to check in with anyone who's keeping up with us to let us know we're okay. It's just the weather's so dumb. I don't get it. It's like Arizona and I'm dealing with this freezing rain and it's so cold out. And it's like 75 degrees back in Wisconsin, so I don't know, it's stupid. Anyway, that's it for today, and I'll check in. I'll put some videos up from these. We're actually going to 2 national parks. Sometime this week we're going to Petrified Forest, so I'll check in and report on both of those and post those videos, and then post when we're headed home. All right, everyone, take care. Bye.